Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
I will show 3 ways to turn off vibration on your Xbox controller. This guide covers console settings, the accessories app, and controller shortcuts. Follow steps that work for Xbox Series X, Series S, and Xbox One consoles. You can disable vibration globally or per controller, depending on preference. The Accessories app gives granular control, and firmware updates may add options. Keep batteries charged and controllers synced before changing settings to avoid connection interruptions. Go to Profile and System, then Settings, then Devices and Connections, then Accessories. Select your controller from the list and choose Configure to edit its profile. Choose the profile slot you use and toggle vibration to off within that profile. This method turns rumble off for that specific controller profile only. To disable rumble for all controllers, open Ease of Access and toggle rumble off in the controller options. Confirm settings and test vibration with a game to verify the change. Use the Xbox Accessories app to assign a profile with vibration set to off for any controller. Connect the controller via USB or wireless and open the app to save a new profile. Update controller firmware in the app to unlock new vibration controls and fixes when available. If you need immediate silence, remove batteries or use a rechargeable pack to stop rumble temporarily. As a last resort, press and hold the sync button for 10 seconds to reset the controller if settings do not apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.